Welcome back, everybody. Holy cow, driveway's bumpy. We're just heading in now. We're going back with my uncle and my little cousins. I don't even know if this thing is in focus, but we're going back to roost some birds. Youth season comes in tomorrow morning, so we're finally going to get after some of these birds. I'm extremely excited. I've seen some on the way over here, so I'm jacked. I'm ready. I can't wait. Hopefully we can get my cousin a bird and have a good hunt tomorrow. It's supposed to be a gorgeous morning. We just lost a bunch of snow. We had 4 inches of snow come in and throughout a couple of days, and we just lost that today. It was like 50 something degrees, so we're heading back here now, and we'll see when we get up in the woods. Go up in here and we're gonna see if we can't find a bird, see if we can't get one to hammer, set up on the morning. My other cousin, who's not here, he chose to be with his girlfriend, if you can believe that or not. I'm gonna teach that kid a lesson. But we're heading up in. We're not gonna get into the woods, but I want to get close enough. It's a little bit windy tonight, so I want to get close enough so I can get that sound out there to see if we can get one roosted up, and hopefully roosted means roasted in the morning, so we'll see. I'll turn you guys back out when we get over there. Good morning, everybody. It is youth weekend opener, so we're gonna finish getting dressed here. We're gonna head out. We tried to roost birds last night. We didn't hear anything, but if anybody's ever tried to roost birds before, you know that doesn't mean anything. So it's about 4 o'clock in the morning now. We're gonna get suited up here and we are gonna head out. So I'll see you guys in the truck. That way. Yeah. Alright, everybody, well, we thought we heard some distant gobbles this morning, but as we were sitting down here, we just heard one behind us. We're trying to figure out. I wanted to get set up, so if there's anything right here, we weren't spoken it. But we definitely just heard one gobble behind us, so I want to make a call quick. going that way? Alright everybody, we just heard one that was a lot closer. He gobbled right over here. There's one gobble behind us. And then there's one gobbling out here in front of us now. So, I'm not sure really exactly what we're going to do here. But we got one gobbling out here in front of us, and we got one gobbling behind us. And I seen a bird. I'm guessing it was a turkey. But I seen some bird fly down from one of these trees. I never heard him. Normally you'll hear a turkey fly down, but I never heard this bird fly. But I just seen a streak go down to the ground out here in front of me. But I'm gonna make a call quick again. I'm gonna owl hoot actually, and see if I can't get this bird to answer me quick. He's over here to my left. That's back down. Alright everybody, we got a bird over here to our left. He just gobbled. He doesn't sound that awful far away, so let's see if I can get him to gobble one more time. And then maybe look at on a map of where he's at. Alright, I think I have an idea where he's at. I'm gonna look at a map here quick. And we're gonna make a quick decision to probably move over and try to get in front of this bird. Hey, where is he? I know, but like, where is he? Huh? Sounds like it's straight off that way. Do you think he's out in that other field by Bauer? Oh, I can't say that in a video. I'll have to bleep that one out. But he's gotta be that way, right?
Yeah, he's gotta be out there. He could be along that the tree line that's over there. There's bigger trees along that side, along that trail.
I think we should walk up the trail.
He might come out to the runway.
I want to watch that. Alright everybody, we made a move. We got that first bird that we were going to move on. He shut up on us. But the second bird that was gobbling before, he just gobbled again. He's quite a bit closer. So we set up real quick. And we're going to see if we can't bring him in. The way he's answering me though, it's really sporadic, so I think he has a head with him. He's not real consistent with it, so they're set up right here to my left, or to my right, sorry. And then we got a bird gobbling down out here in front of us, so I'm gonna make a few calls again right here, right quick. See if I can't get him to gobble at me. And there's a bunch of scratching up in here, so this might be where they come to hang out during the day. There's a couple little open patches. There's a pond behind me, so hopefully this all works out. And these birds want to work up this way. Go get yourself a turkey call from Purrfect Custom Turkey and Game Calls. guys updated what happens throughout the morning, but we're gonna sit still for a little while and see what we can stir up. Hey everybody, so it's been a little while. We just heard this bird gobble again. I left my little cousins where they were. I walked out to this gas line, see if I could see if the bird was on the gas line. I yelped them a bunch of times. I wanted to see if I could get him to gobble, so I could tell which side of the gas line he was on, because we were on this side. The way it was angled, it was hard to tell. We know he's at the end of it somewhere, but he's definitely a henned up stubborn gobbler, because he's not gobbling much at all. And that other one just shut up. I don't know where he went or what happened with him, so I'm gonna head back to them. We're gonna look at the maps a little bit and maybe come up with a game plan. Yep, he's hemmed up. We're gonna plan our next move and figure out what we're gonna do from there. Well, we're walking out. What do you think about it?
Yes. Heard a couple birds this morning.
We got on a couple of them.
Yeah.
A couple of them went, well, both of them ended up going silent. One was gobbling pretty decent. Then he kind of got quiet. And the other one never really was gobbling the best. But he ended up going quiet on us again. Or not again, but just went quiet on us. And then we did a little bit of scouting around, a little bit of walking around, and weren't able to get anything else. But there's only about an hour left, so we're gonna formulate a plan for tomorrow and tonight to go roost, and we'll be back at it tomorrow. Catch you guys on the next one. Oh.